Alright, so this is a 2014 Cadillac XTS with the faulty key fob. So when we put our foot on the brake and then try to start the car, we get this error message. It says, no remote key was detected. Place key in transmitter pocket. Then start your vehicle. Alright, so this happens when there's a dead battery in the key fob, or if the key fob is just faulty. So the transmitter pocket is in the center console, so it's going to be down there. Alright, so the transmitter pocket is right here, so we're just going to put the key right there and try starting the car.